Well, some chunks and bean. And the season to be added, you know. Come in here, light up the stove. You see all of my seasoning them here. Skillet and thyme and garlic and onion and sweet pepper and things. I had in the noodle already and the bean. So this them, you know, will just simmer down in it. People then selling tomato too dear. And now buy time and, you know, pot well seasoned up. Bean and them things that smell nice. I see, you know, because seasoned rice there. Well nice. Steamed and already with me thyme and my scallion and my garlic and noodle and like a curry. And my rice. May I tell you, man. Yeah, man, see the rice pot that's looking good. I see the bean pot, you know. Bean and the chunks. Yeah, I simmer down, you know. Yeah.
Happy New Year. I want to welcome you to my channel, Jamaican Journalist Mom. Yes. How are you today? Well, for me, I'm giving thanks to God for his mercies that has kept me from 2024 on to 2025. For me, it's lunchtime. I bought some salad, lettuce to be exact. And I didn't know that I would get so much lettuce for cheap money. So, before the lettuce stay home and spoil, I just decided to take some to work. So you see, every meal, I eat one head of lettuce. So, I'm not a salad dressing person. So, this is lunch. I got a salad wrap with a little chicken, tomato, and what else? So, it's underneath the bottom. And I decide to slice the lettuce. I like to eat it like this. I have a little cutting board at work. But I didn't just bother with the cutting board. When I'm tired of eating the lettuce like this, I'll put it in a smoothie. A little from this, I'll do a smoothie. Vegetable smoothie to be exact. Going into the new year, you don't want anyone to disturb your peace of mind. Don't try to win any battle. People are set in their own ways. And when people are set in their ways, there's nothing you can do to change them or even to have an input in a conversation that they'll respect your advice or your opinion. They know you're right, but they fail to give you the credit. They always want to discredit you. Stay away. A lot of people, just as you start talking, and they know that your conversation, you have a point, and you're trying to protect them. At the same time, they're trying to browbeat you down. They're trying to end the conversation. Not only that, discredit you because your opinion is not valid. So just protect your peace of mind. If you come across that situation, protect your peace of mind. It's very important. A lot of mad people walking around in clean clothes. Their mental is gone. A lot of mental challenged people is around. Don't let others' opinion get the best of you or destroy you. Stand up for what you believe in. Express yourself. Express your feelings. You have a say-so. You have a voice. Don't let nobody tell you that you talk too much. Say what you mean and mean what you say, comes what may. Hell and high water. Your mouth is your office. Don't let anybody destroy your office. Your mouth is your office. Don't let anybody destroy that. You have to stand on your word. You say what you mean and you mean what you say. Respectfully. I'm not saying to disrespect anyone. We agree to disagree amicably. When somebody is trying to discredit me, I know within myself, I have a say-so. I have a voice. My mouth is my office. So, when you don't want me to talk, just please remember, my mouth is my office. I'm not going to say things to get somebody in trouble. I'm not going to say things to cause a conflict. If I know how to make money, if I want to make money, it's my mouth I'm going to put the word out there to make money. And if I'm trying to encourage somebody, it's my mouth I'm going to use to encourage somebody. This is my office. Nobody cannot take that away from me. And this is what I work with. My mouth. This is what make me get money in my pocket. My mouth. So if I don't talk up, if I have a disagreement at work, I speak up. A lot of people at the workplace, they're going through some things and they fail to speak on what they're going through. They refuse to talk. When they refuse to talk, what happens? It eats out inside of them. I'm not going to be the one to be eaten alive with words. And I can't express myself. If a jail you send me, you put me in a prison, I am a Jamaican. I am going to talk. I'm going to talk my way out of situation. I'm going to pray my way out of situation. What I used to pray, I use my mouth. What I used to express my feelings, I use my mouth. So my mouth is my office, and this is the way I am, and it's not going to change. I am who I am. I'm nice. I'm kind. I'm friendly. I'll meet you anywhere you are. I don't look down on anybody, and I don't discriminate, and I don't hate on anyone. But as I said, my mouth, I cannot be stopped. I'm not going to be silent, and there's no one who is going to shut me down, cut me off, zip my mouth, put padlock on my mouth, or try to demean me, or try to let me close my mouth. And when they say I'm to speak, am I going to speak that time? It's not, and it will not happen, because a lot of times people come on social media and try to browbeat you. They try to tear you down. And even if you have your partner and they're doing this to you, let's take a stand. Know where you stand, and know what you stand for, and know what you stand against. So going into 2025, I raise my hats to you who stand for themselves, who speak out for themselves, who speak against wrong, and stand up for what is right. Sometimes I come on here, I don't come with a script, but I know situation, what people are going through, and they express their sentiments. And I listen. And I talk. A lot of people are going through things. You know, many people come to me and said, I heard you say things and you're talking to me. That's my story. And I can see counseling to go through this. I'm seeking counseling. My partner is not seeking counseling. How can we work through this? We do not know all the answers. We do not know everything in relationship. But we agree to disagree. Somehow no man hold on to the control, but now no decide to let it go. And some woman uno step in at the man role and uno decide to move over. Uno decide to let it go either. Two person in a relationship can't be the tough one. One have to be the suffer one. Men, it's because of women, I understand, that has hurt you, that has damaged you so much, that when you get good relationships, you go there and you're in the relationship, your whole body handcuffed like this. You're in a stiff jacket in a relationship. And it's your way, your way, your way, your way, your way, your way. Right away. I have news for you. Hurt men needs healing. And when they take their past relationship hurt and bring it onto the present relationship, it's just like lighting ablaze the person you don't get to know. I have seen this time and over again. You blame the present relationship for everything the past has damaged you and has left on you. How come the new relationship, this new woman you have to do with your past, you take it and you hang it around the woman them neck and you have it a draw them? Because all that you didn't heal from, you bring it over the side. And then when you get a good woman, you don't know. Because what? All you see is pain. All you see is hurt. All you see is hunger. All you see is disrespect. You can't wait till the new woman disrespect you, you know. You are called the disrespect before it even start, before it even happen. Because maybe in the past, that's what he or she used to. So they see the other person through the old past. And sometimes these new person in the relationship don't even get a chance to prove. Because the damage that you take from the past, you let it go to your future. And then when you look, these same men, they're going around, going down the line. Family members think that the woman is the problem. And when they see it wasn't the woman, it's the man in the relationship. Or sometimes the woman, when the person try to take control. Man, woman, I am speaking to you. I'm addressing you today. When you're in a relationship, you're on one team. One team. That means if you're playing a match, you're playing against others, not against each other. And that's what someone will feel if they believe. That's what someone will feel if they believe. Fighting. We are adults. And sometimes adults don't know how to communicate with each other. Because one partner want their viewpoint to be heard. And when the other partner point is put across to be heard, what they do, they try to cut and close that partner off. They don't want to hear, they don't want to listen. Finish the argument, done the argument, you talk too much. That's how some Jamaican men are. Look within yourself. This is 2025. Make amends. And I'm not just talking to men. I am also talking to women. I'm not going to come on here and tell you that I'm a perfect person. I'm not. I'm a person. I'm up for compromise. I'm always up for compromise. When it's possible. Because there are certain situations that cannot be compromised. But you see, when it come on to disrespect, you want to see me step on break? Try me. When it comes to disrespect, I have no place for disrespect. A man don't know that when a woman talk, a woman express her feelings. That's the way a woman get things out. But when you have men in relationship, you have your husband, you have your boyfriend in a relationship, and they try to tell you, shut your mouth, don't talk. That's disrespect in all form. Disrespect. It's your attitude. It's the attitude of men. That, let me tell you a little secret about women, men, just in case you don't understand. You see, when you say something to piss off a woman or to discredit a woman, there is something playing in the woman's head. She's thinking, she's thinking. That's why men don't understand that women leave them in their head long time before they walk out through the door. Because I reach here so, until you reach here so. Until when the cup full, it just flow over. I was in an abusive relationship before. Me leave a man in my head. And me leave him in my heart. So all when him did I think love. Love. No love not did at that time. Me left him a long time in here so. So when a woman said she's hurting to her husband or a fiancé or a man, just understand where the woman is coming from. Don't let a woman leave you in them head and in them heart. Why you think some women cheat? Because they already left the man in their head and their heart. So, they might look for a healer. That's why they go out. There's not the things that the man is giving the woman. Because men don't can give a woman $1 million, millions of dollars. And if you left you in her head and in her heart, $1 million come like nothing. Same way with a woman. Same way with a man. You can move earth and heaven for your man. And you think the man love you and have your heart. Well, his heart is in the next place with another woman. So, this is my little 2 cents. If you see this video and like this video, please share, comment, subscribe. Thank you. I'll come back later.